Everybody get your fucking hands up.
Alright, so headlight switch, 2005 Chevy Silverado. Works at night. Flip the switch, doesn't. Oh, now it's working. Oh, now it's not. It's being a pain in the ass. So, changing it out. All you need, new switch, and if you don't drop shit everywhere. Now another screwdriver. There it goes. It has 3 tabs holding it in place, 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top. So you got to get your screwdriver in over top of it and twist it to pull it out. Reinstall the new one. Slide it back in the hole. Alright, new one coming on. Everything's working. Just need to get that shit fixed. Check engine, airbag.